Do you know that Lindsay Lohan now has a non-fungible token? How much is her NFT? How much is a Lindsay Lohan token?
She sold this for $17,000, but she donated it all to Save the Children.
This is a tax scam.
In today's video, we'll go over some of the most common NFT scams and how to avoid falling victim to them. If you've ever been conned out of your prized digital collectible, do yourself a favor and watch this video all the way through to learn how to better protect yourself from scammers going forward. The first kind of NFT scam we're going to look at is phishing scams and suspicious pop-ups. There are a lot of websites and marketplaces on the NFT market. Many of them do not have brand recognition that popular websites for physical goods, such as Amazon, have built over time. Now, some of these NFT marketplaces are phishing sites, where scammers create what looks like an authentic website in order to trick visitors into disclosing confidential information like their crypto wallet private key. And they can steal all the cryptocurrencies you have stored in your private wallet if they get your private wallet information. Many of these sites also use appealing pop-ups offering discounts and freebies to entice visitors. To purchase your first NFT, you must first sign up for a wallet that operates on the Ethereum blockchain. For NFT collectors, MetaMask is possibly the most popular Ethereum wallet. MetaMask users were recently targeted in a phishing scam involving advertisements requesting users' private wallet keys or 12-word security seed phrases. There are also fake malicious pop-ups on Discord, Telegram, and other public forums, and linked to legitimate-looking login pages such as MetaMask or other popular websites. If a scammer obtains your private information through phishing, they will be able to drain all of the cryptocurrency in your digital wallet. Now, how do you avoid this type of scam? As a general rule, you will only need your seed phrase to create a hardware backup of your crypto wallet or to recover your wallet. Never enter any information into the MetaMask pop-up or any other pop-up for that matter. Also, for any cryptocurrency transaction, always go directly to the verified website. Never use links, pop-ups, or your email address to enter your information. You should also write down your seed phrase on paper and never give it to anyone. Don't even keep a photo of it on your phone.
You serious?
You should also check to see if the NFT's contact address matches the one on the creator's website. Finally, use online tools such as Scam Advisor and Trend Microcheck to check whether the NFT website is legitimate. The next NFT scam we're going to be looking at is the catfishing scam. Sales and marketing in the NFT community are primarily conducted online. With all the social media marketing surrounding NFTs in Discord and Telegram, it's easy for customers to fall prey to scams. NFT communities also hire social media influencers and celebrities to promote them, making it even more difficult to tell the real ones from the false. Almost every cryptocurrency brand has a scammer-led group. And of course, these scammers always claim to be affiliated with the brand they're targeting. How do you avoid this? It is common knowledge in the NFT community that no C-level staff will contact you directly unless you first contact them or make a prior agreement in a public forum. So if you receive a direct text from someone claiming to be an official, celebrity, or an NFT founder, never respond. It's the same as when you were a kid and your parents told you not to talk to strangers or accept anything they offered you. In the NFT space, you can do the same thing. If a stranger contacts you first, don't talk to them or click any of the links, maybe even block and report them straight away.
Yeah.
Don't even think about leaving that booth.
Wrong number, pal.
Another common NFT scam is the pump and dump scheme. For a pump and dump scheme, a person or group of people buy a large number of NFTs or currency and artificially drive demand all the way up. Once successful, these schemers will cash out when the prices are high, leaving those who were not involved in the scheme with worthless assets. Pump and dump schemes are currently a major issue in the NFT and crypto world. It is also important to know that some NFT projects are not technically scams, but they have limited liquidity. This is because a few aggressive buyers, known as NFT whales, purchase the majority of the NFTs in a project. When an entire collection is controlled by 20 to 30 people, none of them are under any pressure to sell their NFTs. If you wanted to get an NFT from that collection, you'll have to pay a ridiculously high floor price. How do you avoid this? Before investing in any NFT project, you should thoroughly investigate its wallet's history. You can limit every incoming and outgoing transaction on the Ethereum blockchain using tools like Etherscan. Make sure you limit the number of buyers and transactions for the specific project on the respective marketplace as well. To avoid these honey traps, always invest in projects that have more buyers and thus more liquidity. You should also join their Discord community and follow the project on Twitter. Look for an active community of engaged investors who engage with the project and share information if you want to invest in a project with good liquidity and future value. Another common NFT scam is bidding scam. These scams are unique to secondary NFT marketplaces and typically occur when you try to sell an NFT. In these types of scams, the bidder of your NFT may covertly switch the cryptocurrency you listed as your preferred means of exchange to another cryptocurrency with a lower value. For example, if you list Ether as the currency you want to exchange for the NFT, the bidder may change it to ADA, which has a lower value when converted to traditional fiat. Instead of receiving 5 ETH, approximately 15,000 to 20,000 USD, your desired NFT, you could only receive as little as $5. How do you avoid this? To avoid bidding scams, double check the currency used to bid on your NFT and never click on any links sent to you via email. In the secondary market, you should always check the official site for bids and never accept a bid that is lower than what you asked for. The next NFT scam we will look at is the counterfeit or plagiarized NFTs. It's important to remember that having intellectual property ownership of a piece of artwork is not the same as having it minted as an NFT. Anyone, regardless of whether or not they own the rights to the IP, can convert any photo or image into an NFT using OpenSea's user-friendly software. Scammers could easily steal an artist's work and use it to create a fake OpenSea account to sell counterfeit artwork. Once the community discovers what the scammer is up to, your NFT will be worthless and there will be no way to get your money back. How do you avoid this? Do your homework before purchasing an NFT from any marketplace to ensure that the artwork is from a verified account. On OpenSea or other NFT marketplaces, look for the blue check mark next to the artist profile picture. If there isn't one, look for the artist on Twitter, their website, or other social media handles. Inquire directly from them if the artwork you want to purchase is theirs and if you have the appropriate user profile. Also, check to see if the artist or NFT project has a Discord channel, and if so, ask others in the community. Keep an eye out for fake blue checks. A true verified account has a blue check on the profile image's border, not on the inside of the image.
Hey, it's me. Prove it.
New scams are constantly wreaking havoc in the NFT scene, and this is the reason you can't do it alone. Try to stay informed, as this is the best way to avoid these existing and new NFT scams. And this is where finding fellow NFT enthusiasts comes in handy. That brings us to the end of today's video. Please click the subscribe button to be notified when we upload new videos. See you in the next one, and until then, happy minting.